Eureka, Eureka, Eureka! What happened? Yes, I did it. What have you done? I did the miracle, the millennium, the time machine. What? Time machine? Exactly, my friend, the time machine. I don't believe it. How do you want me to prove it? Can you take me back to my last 2 days of schooling? Yes, my friend, let's see the miracle.
All factors to a view. Meditate as they saw its beauty. Magnificent it is, my friend. The fame, great is thy skill for vision, thy fame shall never rest. But when the teachers are suggested, with love and excellent spirit, and in each act with patience, and each stroke with grace, not praise when receiving a word, none news when wondrous plans. He was sitting, but unseen by the eyes of men. Gone is the village temple, transited to the dust. Low rise, each stately pillar, food for consuming life. But the temple, which is beautiful, will pass while the ages road. For that beautiful temple was the child immortal soul. And thank you very much, teachers, for building that immortal soul within us. Although thanking can never suffice. And the theme of our program is collaboration. So here we proceed.
Good morning, sir.
You're waiting.
Oh, sir. Sorry, sir. Present, please, stand up.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the chemical from water?
Yes, sir. It's so simple, sir.
Tell me, come on.
It's HIJKLMNO.
Arun, is he right? Yes, sir. He got it right, sir. What? Two O, sir. Excellent, O, sir. Yes, sir. What are you saying?
Wherever I go, whatever I achieve, letters which I have learned here will always be with me.
Now, it's the beginning of the end of our school life. It's the time to step forward towards the episode. And today, we turn back for the last time to thank everyone who have been there with us in this wonderful tournament.
And it's the time to bid goodbye. And starting with Madeline, I invite Nadina, Deepak Sir, Satyamama, Gurmeet Ma'am, Sandeep Sir, and Kamal on the stage.
A welcome of love and learning. Thank you. For so many years, we thankfully have the Woven energy.
Thank you so much, teacher. ready to depart from this earth with Bhagwan Buddha, his admin, teachers, staff, this arena, room, and everything in our heart.
Thank you, teachers, for being with us in our time, giving us the opportunity and chance to explore ourselves. And a school, like say, school is a building that has 4 walls, so it's small inside. And if you message to the juniors, I would say that try not to become man of success, try to become man of failure. That's all from 12. Thank you.